Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The project title is Authentication using Captcha as Graphical Passwords. Let's see the abstract. Security primitives are based on hard mathematical problems. Using hard AI problems for security is emerging as an exciting new paradigm but has been underexplored. We present a new security primitive based on hard AI problems, namely a novel family of graphical password system built on the top of Captcha technology, which we call as Captcha as graphical passwords. CARP is a both Captcha and a graphical password scheme. CARP addresses a number of security problems altogether, such as online guessing attack, relay attacks, and if combined with the dual view technologies, shoulder suffering attacks. A CARP password can be found only probabilistically by automatic online guessing attacks, even if the password is in the search. CARP also offers a novel approach to address the well-known image hotspot problem in popular graphical password systems, such as passpoints, that often leads to weak password choices. CARP is not a panacea, but it offers reasonable security and usability and appears to fit well with some practical applications for improving online security. In our proposed method, we introduce a new security primitive based on hard AI problem named as CARP. CARP, which acts as a Captcha as a graphical password. CARP is click-based graphical password, where a sequence of clicks on an image is used to derive a password. Unlike other click-based graphical passwords, images used in CARP are Captcha challenges, and a new CARP images is generated for every login attempt. Its main advantages is to use to prevent the boot illegal access to website. CARP offers protection against online dictionary attacks, and so on. By using hashing algorithm, we can avoid the brute force attack. Image used in CARP are very different from those used to solve a Captcha challenge, so it protects against hackers to log in. Let's see the data flow diagram of the project. Captcha acts as an authentication process instead of password authentication. In user registration, user has to enter the personal informations. To set authentication, they need to select click text images. Let's see what is click text images. A click text password is a sequence of characters in the alphabet, which is similar to the text password. To enter a password, a click text image is generated as like a Captcha image, except that all in the alphabet characters should appear in the image. During generation, each character's location is tagged to produce ground truth for the location of the character in the generated image. The authentication server relies on the ground truth to identifying the character corresponding to user clicked point. In click text images, character can be arranged randomly. In entering a password, the user click on this image, the characters in her password in the same order. Its hash is then calculated and compared with the sorted hash. Authentication succeeds only if the two hash methods match. In this process, we are using two algorithms. One is hash and the other one is salt algorithm. Let's see what is hash algorithm. Hash value is a key of public key encryption system. Hashing is an cryptographic algorithm to convert data like a password into a fixed length string of characters. Hashing is one-way cryptographic strategy. What is salt algorithm? Salting is a way to randomize hashes by adding a random string before a password is hashed, which makes it much more difficult to crack the password hash. Our expected outcome is, in every login, CARP required to solve a Captcha challenge for security purpose. Captcha used to protect users' input against untrusted client. There are two types of visual Captcha, text Captcha and image recognition Captcha. Text Captcha passwords are in the sequence of characters by entering the right character, which makes to login. CARP offers protection against a sequence of security problems at a time. Example: online guessing attack, relay attack, shoulder surfing attack, online dictionary passwords. Let us see the project. This is the new registration form. Here you need to enter your username, password, address and date of birth. For the password, you have to click text click images. You have to confirm your password. For that, enter the same password in the retype password. If both the password is matched, you can log in. If it's not, you have to enter the correct password. Click register button. The records inserted successfully. Let's see how the text click images works. Enter the username and click the password as it's shown below. Enter the 8-digit password correctly. User has to log in with their respective username and the password. Go to login button. You have logged in successfully. Now click on to the new authentication process named as image click. I am clicking giraffe image and the dog image and again giraffe image. Now my password is giraffe, dog and giraffe. Click submit button to insert the records. Now enter the username and the password for the image click. Giraffe, dog and giraffe. If both the username and password is correct, you can log in. Here we are using two authentication process for highly secure. Go to submit button. I am using the authentication process for bank transaction. To know your account balance, go to my account. You can view your account number, branch and the balance. Enter the amount you want to transfer. I am typing 500 to transfer. Go to transfer button. Your amount has to be successfully transferred. In balance, you can view your balance amount in your card. Thank you.